Hey, excuse me, brother. Hey, cool question, man. I'm looking for the
what?
Hey, boss. Excuse me. Hey, can I get a hello? What? Excuse me. Excuse me. Hey, real quick, can I get a
What?
You can have it up there.
What?
Can I get a hand over there? Excuse me.
Huh? What?
Excuse me, sir. Inside the Lowe's, how you think
What's that?
inside the Lowe's,
What?
Excuse me, brother. A quick question, man. You know I can get the
What? Huh? Hold on. What?